Yo, what's good, people? I'm out here in LA with pretty much every West Coast producer, so we're gonna make a Drake type beat. If I don't get jumped, we're gonna cook up some West Coast. Now, we're gonna get straight into a West Coast beat. I don't really make a lot of it, so my guy's gonna show me a few of the essentials, a few of the basics, and everyone's gonna get involved. Hopefully we'll make something fire. So let's get into it.
So what type of vibes do you want to do? We thinking like dark, thinking wavy, thinking
I'm thinking some
G-funkish, like what are we thinking?
Dark, hard shit, just
Dark,
like aggressive, yeah.
Alright, cool. So for the darker beats, I like going a little bit slower. Just because I feel like when you go slower, you can put in like more elements too.
Okay.
You can get like cooler bounces and stuff. So let's drop this down to like 90 BPM.
Who were you showing me yesterday? Was it EBK?
Yeah, the EBK people.
Yeah,
Josh
I was
and
fucking with
J-Lo.
that type of stuff.
Yeah, let's do it, bro. We can get some choirs in here, do a boogeyman type beat.
That'll be sick, yeah.
Yeah, so I think sounds that are really good for accents that really gets that like dark stuff is like tubular bells, deep pianos, things like that.
Okay.
So little accents.
Should we do a choir type one then?
Yeah,
I
we
could
can do
maybe
a
play
choir,
some
man.
like choir chords.
Ooh, what could we use for choirs, bro? It's
Do you have like
Daniel Saint.
true live choir?
Get in the booth, go. Oh.
Something like that.
Honestly, those chords are perfect. Yeah, no, we can run that, bro.
All right. Maybe even invert those top ones, see how that sounds.
I had an idea. Because I think if we do like a bouncer. Bump, bump, bump.
Okay.
That might be cool because we
Yeah,
can probably
yeah.
like syncopate with the drums later too.
Oh yeah, I can hear that with the drums already.
Yeah. Go ahead and just transpose whatever ones you thought sounded
I'll see if it sounds better anyway. Or maybe a bit of both. So thicken it up a bit.
Bro. Stack it up, brother.
Maybe that.
Yeah.
What would you use for, like, would you use like a piano bass note in this? I feel like that's kind of common.
Yeah,
Would you usually stack it as well?
We can, yeah. Let's do it, bro. Yeah, drop just
Yeah,
those
just
ones
those.
and knocked it down. Hard.
Something like that.
That's hard. Low key. Let's try to take the piano notes right here and put the velocity all the way up on them. Let's see how that sounds.
Yeah. There we go. I'm sure you do, but you've got loads of like accents and phrases and stuff, right?
Yeah, for sure.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. Where is it? That one's hard, but there's one called Ghost. Let's pull it out. That one's crazy, bro.
What's that in
A minor.
A minor.
Ooh, good call.
Sounds crazy. And maybe something like.
I don't even need to be here.
Yeah.
You did a great job. I feel like I'm just here for moral support at this
Definitely,
point.
man. Just need that pat on the back. I'm just hearing some like, maybe some little blocks, or something kind of repetitive.
Yeah.
I'm sure you've got a kit for that.
Yeah, you just hit the delete button. That'll work.
Right, yeah. Do you want to add some shit to that?
Man, easy, bro. I'd love to, man. This is hard.
A lot of the beats you're showing me from like West Coast artists, the melodies were pretty simple as well. Like there's not too many layers. For the dark shit anyway.
Yeah, but like, dude, they just go crazy on the drums, bro, all the time. Oh, low key. Hold up.
like the essential West Coast sounds.
I know, yeah. You gotta have the perks in here,
Of
bro.
You know what? I hear a lot of similarities in like Detroit beats on West Coast.
Yeah,
Both
we're
use like the stomp, similar like BPM and bounces.
Yeah,
I
we're
don't
like
know if you'd
cousins for
agree.
real, bro.
This is kind of crazy already.
I know, it's kind of nice. Probably get some vocals in here too.
Yeah. Yo, we need some vocals.
Yeah, you should pop in for the vid real quick, bruh. Just say what's up. Just so they know like what the person looks like who be
Yeah,
doing
do you
these
wanna jump
vocals,
in?
everything.
That's me.
Damn, bro.
That's his actual
People at
voice.
least need to see your face,
Imagine
bro.
if his voice was actually that tone.
Yeah.
Imagine I just start singing, that's what comes out.
Hi guys.
No effects.
That's so funny. So yeah, bro, how do you be doing these vocals, bro? Tell everybody real quick, man.
So, the secret. I'm not telling you.
I see you've been making a lot of beats recently with like just vocals, very minimal.
Yeah.
They sound fire.
Yeah, it's cool because like when I make those beats, I just like I do it when I don't have any inspiration, so I'll just throw down the
Yeah,
vocal and just
and
be
then
like,
some
what can I
drums.
add to this? And then once you have like vocals and drums, it's like easier to add like a little melody in the
Yeah.
background because like the idea is so complete.
I hear
It
that.
feels like you're adding on to something rather than like actually starting something.
Yeah, that makes
Yeah.
sense.
I also put these
Oh, that sounds sick.
hi-hat rolls.
Kind of like super trap rolls.
Oh really? I'm not familiar with Super
Little
Trap
bit.
that much, bruh.
I've only made a couple, but I did some similar ones for like my last trap pack. But that's like super trap. They use like a lot of like intense rolls and just some crazy shit.
Ooh.
Crazy.
I'll put it right there. That's kind of tough.
Yeah.
Do you think it's time, bro? Do you think it's time to do what we need to do? Do you think it's time, brother?
I think it's time, man.
I'm gonna let you go crazy with the 808 bounce.
All right.
Let's see whatever you think, bro. The room's shaking right now, bruh. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. The room is vibrating right now. I really like these little like stutter steps you're doing into them.
Oh, like the low one before it.
Yeah, those are hard.
Tells me
bro.
the
I like
bounce
that. Wait, dude, actually throw another one right there when you like right
here?
before you moved it. Yeah, like another.
Oh, that's kind of hard.
That's kind of hard. Yeah. With the sides too.
Just the one, I think.
That's crazy. Oh, he ain't even done.
I'm just seeing which
He ain't
one
even
sounds
done.
good. Fit that? Or the other one? Okay.
That's tough.
And they were saying some open hats on some of the hits.
That's hard. Oh my god. rolls at the end with the 808s, bro.
Sounded crazy.
I'm telling you, bro, you don't even need me here. Maybe some hi-hats.
Yeah. I want it like kind of spacious, not too crazy.
For sure. Yeah, it's hard. It's a great start. I was just about to tell you to do that. That's that super trap stuff, huh?
A little bit, yeah. Maybe just that. It's kind of simple.
That combo at the end is hard.
That sounds crazy.
Hey, low key, I just want to see what happens. Let's take this an octave down.
Yeah.
I just want to see what happens.
It's hard as well.
Yeah. Can't really go
Creates
wrong.
like a
Just
little,
have
it's
both.
almost like the zap perk that you use in a lot of Detroit and West Coast, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, the ending sounds
Bro, I'm
crazy.
not gonna lie, we can just keep it right here. We're
Real.
kind of done. Maybe just like throwing like a riser at the end,
Okay.
and that's about it.
What about those strings we were talking about earlier? Like the one I was asking you about. Does anyone want to jump in on this, by the way?
Crickets. You talking about this one right here?
Yeah, would that sound good in these type of beats?
Heck yeah, bro.
I don't know why I've just always loved that sound.
Dude, it's a great sound. People love it over here too,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah, this beat right here sounds crazy though. Bro, crazy.
Really get crazy with it, bro.
Is that your secret mastering trick? Like a
Do
little
it
low
just a
end
little
boost.
bit. It's not good. You shouldn't be doing it. I don't recommend people do it.
To do what? Like boost the low end a bit?
Boost the soft clipper.
Okay, yeah,
and
the
boost
pose.
this, because you can overdo it very easily.
Yeah.
But I just kind of like doing it just because it makes a slap.
Yeah, it makes a real shake.
Don't
Alright,
leave me.
lifestyle, it's time to add
They're
something.
both of my dads.
Come on.
They didn't let me add shit. So this is my part in the video.
Because he fucked up the last beat.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Here it is.
got lifestyle lore. We should do the reverb intro instead.
Okay. You know what's funny? We do that in drill sometimes as well.
Oh, the reverb
yeah.
intro? Well, fuck me then. I thought I was kind of putting you
Nah,
on.
that's sick.
Let's get like a little 4 count in here too.
That's something we don't do in drill, so.
Hey, there you go.
I just want to like switch up the 808 in the second half, just one little bit. Pick it up.
Nuts.
And then I just need to copy that to this part. Yeah. All right. I'll let you
done.
do your thing.
Yeah, we're done.
Can I say yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I just finished like that. Crazy, man.
Crazy. I really like this beat.
Yeah, this
a
is
lot,
fire.
a lot, bro.